Hey there, it's Joseph, and welcome back to the YouTube channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets. And today we're going to talk about Palm Sunday, or when Jesus entered San Miguel de Allende twice that morning. As always, in the descriptive box below, there are links to various websites if you need more information, including Amazon.com, where you can purchase the book on Easter and the best-selling series, San Miguel de Allende's Secrets. For Palm Sunday, vendors will be selling beautiful items made by hand-woven palm fronds in front of all the main churches today. Some of the best are sold there at the Oratorio, right next to Plaza Civica. For over 20 years, at around 10 a.m., from the Calvary Chapel, a young man in a rough white tunic and a beard grown especially for the event rides a donkey down the hill and through the streets of town. Behind him comes a joyous procession of the 12 apostles and dozens of other followers amid shouts of, "Long live Christ the King!" The procession continues to the Church of St. Francis. After being met by the pealing of the bells, the group files in for Mass. This same morning, a procession leaves Parque Juarez. This time, Christ is on a donkey, in a medium-sized statue from the church beside the parochial, Santa Escuela. Preceded by dancers in their bright regalia and trailing feathers, the statue is followed by hundreds of participants waving palm fronds. The procession terminates in front of the parochial amid the sound of drums, trumpets, and church bells. As always, if you need more information, feel free to click subscribe now and you'll get automatic notification of new videos as they come out here on the channel dedicated to San Miguel de Allende's secrets.